southwestern portion of Jamaica, hit with the strongest winds here, leaving some communities just in shambles. And in some neighborhoods, police stations are being used now as emergency shelters.
And we have another look at the damage in Black River. The local hospital is reporting it has no power. In fact, the roof has significant damage. Crews are responding to that area, but so far there's no word on when substantial relief reached that region.
And we have this look here at the extensive flooding in the area of St. Elizabeth Parish. Some areas completely inaccessible because of the water. Officials in Jamaica say the full extent of the damage won't be known until the sun comes up tomorrow.
Lord, I ask for mercy, is that there's no fatality. We can always build and fix back up much. I wonder how long it's going to take back to build back. You know, Black River, you can see it's been destroyed, guys. How could even a wooden house survive this if these big houses can't survive, you know, Hurricane Melissa? This is so sad. Again, this is Sentinel's Bed. We're still reaching out to our loved ones in Westmoreland, Montego Bay area. So if anyone, you know, I've heard from any family over that side, please write a comment on here, or if you're looking for someone in any one of these areas, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, and Montego Bay, please also make a comment and let us know where and the area. Okay, thank you guys very much, and let's continue praying for, you know, our Jamaican people. Let's continue trying to help our Jamaican people at the same time. This is heartbreaking, guys.
I would say about 90% of that would be your estimate.
Yeah.
About 90% of after today's assessment. Heavy this now.
This is new work. New work. Yeah. These are brand new. These are put up in bed. After bed.
The poles are up.
Yeah. Definitely the pole does have such a pole.
So they're not with the JDS?
Yeah. Richie, you have any? The bushmarks, yeah, the bushmarks.
That's true. Before you reach the program. Yes.
Oh, you're not Prime Minister. See the big
Maternity.
I don't know if you want to.
So we walk around.
Yeah, walk around instead of through the wall.
Yeah, man. And that.
Sure, nothing at all, nothing to us in Kingston.
Nothing.
Yeah, no, I did it. That's all right. Because he has.
But I'm past.
I see that. I want to thank all of you for your service. I know it must have been a harrowing experience.
Very, the most terrifying experience in all my life, and I would not want to see it again.
But you don't report any loss of life.
Thank God, God has been good to us.
So not because of the storm. But obviously, the care that you have taken in protecting the patients would have been thank you. I don't know if you had an opportunity to see the rest of the song, but certainly you have heard.
Happening to our beyond his imagination.
The acting.
At one point, you would think that you have some missiles just letting go in the glass. You just see things just going here, glass, boom. And in spite of everything, patients are there to take care of. Even after the storm, we have emergencies, using lanterns and flashlights. But God has been good to us.
So what we're doing now is the initial assessment of the damage. We have with us the acting Chief of Defense Staff and Brigadier Williams as well. And they are doing their assessment that will feed into ADTEM. Hopefully by tomorrow we will have cleared the routes in the Black River because they're all blocked now. There's no no traffic that can come.
This is the main road where you used to take it to Newcastle site, Middleton Settlement. This is it now. There used to be a house right here, so right when a house used to go right on the corner here, so all like gone. This was the main road. Everything gone. See, the main road used to go so. Used to have some house over here, so every single thing gone.
In front of my gate that. Jesus have mercy, God. Look on the road. I rode that now. I rode that people for Burton. I rode that. That is the road. Have mercy, God. You all up.
Betheltown flat. Used to be the barber shop. Oh boy. Post office. Miss Mart. Rich with them place. Done. Cashapp place. David up there. Boy, right up chuck that fuck. Ah. Eh? Yeah? Bro, let me tell you something.
Done, you're done. Yo. Almighty God. Well, please fuck up, daddy. Eh? Watch out. I saw that there go. Camera.
That is it. A video, we have video.
Go on, man.
You can video and drive.
Yeah, video and drive, man. You want to say mash up too, bro.
One more street going on some.
Mash up bad. BK mash up. Yo, how many bugs style I go there?
That's okay, you got them. Which is nice.
They will not get back in country now.
No.
We are gas station.
Gas station.
Watch out.
It's been up.
Watch out.
You like
Watch out.
on gas station on there, so again.
Wait, this the one roof?
Yeah, you got
No. Yeah, you
it had a roof. Oh, you feel like this is a roof over here, so get jealous and go over Texaco.
Hey, go on. Look on down there, sir.
Hold on, I want the fire roof lift up. No, I guess this on the roof lift up and go over there, sir.
Mash up over there, sir.
See, guess this on the roof lift up and go over there, sir. You see it?
Yeah.
So I lift up, I'll go over big, yeah.
It's a KFC sitting there, sir.
See there, see, and you come out of a gun. Me?
Yeah.
You can imagine that there? What a sight.
Well,
Come out of a gun, lift up and go over BK.
God no.
Mighty God.
Right, grab and go.
Watch out.
Pump bloat. Pumps down.
No gas.
That's a, hold on there. It's a building that's from trees.
Mostly fruit trees.
This is wicked this thing. Chai bar will like it top gone too.
Mighty God. What going, boss? What going? I'm there, I'm there.
Place a roof gone too. Hurry, this a gone.
The whole of several man mash up.
Alright, start working the video from front. It's still a record, you know.
Talk man, narrate.
Yeah.
We can narrate.
No problem now. This bed is here for how much you got cheap when use.
Yes.
Sample more. What the
Desecrated.
Severely damaged. Wicked gal belly sack.
Yo, say put back up at least one night now.
A man come up on the wall and give me stone. Yo, I junction wire them right now. We need to work and move from water, so yeah? A man come up on the wall. Want the next block. Yes, my peeps, so see black, yeah? Rest it by yourself. Let me, hold this in there. Hold it, make sure you attack it, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Reporting live and Jamaican adventure. So today, guys, Lenny says here. Almost,
Yeah, look.
almost done for almost. There's probably about an hour now. Hour left. And you see where we're out there, look. We're in a car. Get to what's slick. Fire, guys. Then we're through that. You know, we pick them up. Pick them up. We don't wait for them to jump off. You see what I'm saying? Being yellow art. And a pool alone, barefoot at feet. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Alright, look this. So I get them breakfast that rolls up. And ready to shoot the song now over here. So the shoe you want to go and see it. So stay tuned. One side, see it, see it? Come on, I keep it up, see it. That is it. Yes guys, so as you can see guys right now. Right. 4 star weekends now. Part of everything guys. Yes, you mentioned. Yeah man. So you can see like it's just almost like about 4 bar but that will 3 4 bar but you know. Lagi more than that guys. Look nice. Look nice. Kita pick up. Dan okay. Kukulikan kan spirit guys. Here the Prime Minister talk about the infrastructure. Our infrastructure our best of the best out of the country. Yeah man. So I'm telling you I'm one of the best housing, concrete housing guys. The only thing that we are going to sing okay? Guys, see it good. There are people who get it. You stuff that is try minute. It's the right out there. Okay guys, some lights will bring. And many say it's expected to hit us at night for guys. That's the day was seen. And the day we see I think. And still outdoor. But deep. The power. See? It's the park. Everything good car. When I get my break scene. Everybody in the house, you know, man. And say, although themselves steam, and on me rubber crook, so you know, the breeze start blowing and light will start to drop down. You know, we do the whole high tension thing, but you know, we are going on. Check what going. You know, people them is it. Or the park car them parked away from the trees. Or this one kinda you know, look out danger, you know. If the breadfruit tree have a job, straight overnight. You know, so they have to control the community. So I go on, so everybody lock up guys, nobody in the outer door you know. This is my community is in. Nobody outside, so peeps. So me I go head back in you know, cause as them say, nobody not up on the road. We're gonna come down look harder now, cause it just take it time, see? So I can show you when the breeze, when Melissa really hit Jamaica, you see me? Yeah man, I can show you when Melissa hit Jamaica. Really way. So stay tuned guys. I go back inside because you know me now I'm sick.
Auntie Pauline, you're too brass.